Let us try to know about the idioms of the day. The idiom is that hold your head high or hold your head up high. What it means that the meaning of this is you can hold your head high or hold your head up high if you feel proud of something. Let us take as some example. The team did not win, but they can hold their head up high because they put up a great fight. Number two, Lanchenwe said, will our generation be able to hold our heads high if we have create serious environmental problems for our grandchildren to deal with? I don't think so. Item number two, life of the party and life and soul of the party. The meaning is that the loveliest and the most entertaining person at a social gathering, where they are the two idioms are uses. Example number one. Harry is normally pretty quiet, but after he's had a few beers, he became the life of the party. Next, where we use the idioms. Don't forget to invite your brother. He is always the life and soul of the party. Item number three, another string to your bow. Meaning of this is you have another way of making a living. Some example try to know where they are used. Lots of people learn to teach English so they will have another string to their bow. Number two example, I have lost my job and I will have to return for something else. I wish I already had another string to my bow. The variety. These items are typically used in English and in British English, but may be used in another variety of English.